Finally, the time is there. We are going to give our chemistry question paper on the coming 27 February. So at this time, instead of doing a revision chapter wise, better to do the revision from the sample paper, sample question, and do the written practice so that you can judge yourself that how you are attempting and how you are writing the answer. Is it up to the mark, or are you writing correctly? So for that, for the last moment preparation, here the section C with the 3 mark question, I came with the question from the unit amine, and हमारे पास जो aromatic amine है, when it is reacting with the chloroform and alcoholic KOH, then what would be the product? So for that, ये reaction जो है, this is the reaction only given by the primary amines, and this test is known as carbyl amine test. In this test, we will get a foul smell, and how we will write the answer to this one? So that is, we are having C6H5 NH2 along with the chloroform is present there, and KOH. When we will do the heating to this, जब हम इसे हीट करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? We will get C6H5NC. This is isocyanide. Isocyanide plus we will get KCl and plus water. In order to do the balancing, we have 3 here. So 3 KCl and 3 molecule of water. And ये जो foul smelling isocyanide है, it can be only given by the primary amines. Then second जो हमारा part है, that is the C6H5NH2. हमारे पास again aromatic amine है. It is reacting with the sulfuric acid which is concentrated. Then what would be the product? Product क्या हो जाएगा? We will have the एनालिनियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. यहाँ पे हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है दैट इज C6H5NH3 प्लस का साइन आ जाएगा, एंड देन HSO4 एंड यहाँ पे नेगेटिव का साइन आ जाएगा, एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग. दिस इज द एनालिनियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. सो अभी वो टाइम है हमारे पास, वी आर हैविंग ऑलमोस्ट 10 days, so we can just do the practice from the sample paper and we can get the ideas how we are writing and how we have to be attempt this question. So do revision like that. And third part of this question is, when aniline is getting a reaction with the bromine water, so what we will get? Aniline है C6H5NH2 and it is reacting with the bromine water. So what we are getting? C6H5. यहाँ पे मैं इसे फॉर्मूला ही लिखने की इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट we will write the structure. So what we will get here? That is the aniline बना लेंगे. ऑर्थो पैरा पे हमने हाई डेंसिटी के कारण इसे रिएक्ट करवाना है ब्रोमाइन को. सो Br and Br. So we got 2,4,6 tribromo aniline and along with that इसके साथ ही हमें क्या मिल गया? प्लस 3HBr. तो जिस जगह से हम ब्रोमाइन सब्स्टिट्यूट हो रहा है वहां से हाइड्रोजन भी बाहर आ रहे हैं, एंड यहाँ इन ऑर्डर टू डू द बैलेंसिंग वी विल पुट अ 3 हियर. तो दिस इज द वे. कुछ भी हमें यहाँ पे वर्ड नहीं लिखने हैं, वी हैव टू जस्ट कंप्लीट द equation and reactions, but we must remember what reaction is that and what is the reagent and how we will get the product. So see you soon in next video with the more probable questions for your coming board exam. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel.